Okay, Scooter, I've got my chef's hat on and my banana picture for the background. I'm ready to start recording my very first YouTube cooking episode. That's right, I think I'll call it Cooking with Mr. G.
Action!
Excuse me, sir, I'm your new neighbor, Newton McGregor, and the wife asked me if I could come over and borrow 2 onions. Yeah, 2 onions. We're making some big pot of stew. You like stew? Yes, I like stew. And yes, you can borrow 2 onions. They're on the counter. Just come on in and grab them. I'm doing a cooking show. I can't be disturbed, of course. Thanks for the onions. That's me pressing the like button. Get it? Ha ha! Good one. Well, I've got to boil these grapes. So, nice meeting you, Newton. Nice meeting you, too. What was your name? Why, Mr. G, of course. I'm surprised you haven't heard of me. I'm very famous. Oop, that's the wife. Yes, dear. Oh no, this is awful. This is horrible. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Newton, what's wrong? She said we need 5 onions. Oh, is that all? Well, Newton, I can help you with that. Take these 3 onions I have over here and join them together to the 2 onions I already gave you. 3 plus 2 equals 5. There's your 5 onions. Problem solved. No, that's not what I meant. I hate onions. Now I have to eat 5 of them. Whoops. Oh, rats. The best show on the internet.